In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit or export vertical videos so that you can upload it as YouTube short or Instagram reels. So here you can see I have few vertical videos which I have shot. So how we can edit this into iMovie app and export it into vertical format itself. So let's get started. So in iMovie app, you might be searching for some option to change the resolution of the video so that you can convert it into the short format, that is a vertical format video. But in iMovie app, you will not find such setting. So how to export it into vertical format, I will explain you in this video. First of all, open the iMovie app, start a new project by selecting any of these options. I will select movie over here, select the vertical video files which you want to edit. I will select all these 4 videos and tap on create movie. So as soon as the video files are imported into the project, you will find the resolution of the videos is in different size. So over here you will need to rotate the video anti-clockwise or clockwise by moving your finger and thumb in anti-clockwise or clockwise motion. So over here I will hold this video and move it anti-clockwise, and now the video has been rotated and we can see the complete frame has been filled. So this you will need to do to the next video also. So as much as video you have imported, you will need to manually do the rotation for all the videos. So once you are done with this, just tap on done and just tap on share button, tap on save video, and it will take some moment to export the movie. So the video file has been exported successfully. Let's open the photos, and here you can see the new video which was created, but this is stored in a horizontal format. So here we'll need to open this video, tap on edit, and just tap on this rotate icon, and here just rotate it and tap on done. So now the video has been successfully stored in vertical form. Now you can upload it to YouTube as a short or Instagram as a reel. So this is how you can easily edit or export videos in vertical form in iMovie app. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.